Driver injured as a truck is hit by a landslide between Kambirong and Barak Bridge on National Highway 37. Works going on to clear the way. Pharmacies down shutter in protest against companies refusing expired medicines. Patients suffer as they cannot get medicines. IMC mayors denied former mayor's statement that he gave approval for auction of 8 vehicles. And candidates of MPSC examination 2016 demand CBI probe into irregularities of combined competitive examination and punishment of the guilty. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. One ill-fated truck carrying cement was hit by a landslide between Kambirong and Barak Bridge on National Highway 37 at 142.5 milestone under Tamiloang Police Station in Tamiloang District. The driver was injured in an incident which occurred around 4:30 p.m. this afternoon. The injured driver is identified as Sane Muhammad, 28 years. The landslide has completely blocked a portion of the national highway. Recovery work is still underway. According to Needy Company, which is engaged in clearing the road, it might take 2 days to clear the road. Pharmacies across the state today downed their shutters in protest against the companies refusing them to return the expired medicines. All Manipur pharmacy retailers organized a meeting of the pharmacists of the state at Singjamai Toblaikai Community Hall to discuss the matter. Speakers at the meeting shared the stockists as informed that post the implementation of goods and services tax, the medicines would expire prior to introduction of GST cannot be returned. Participants in the meeting questioned the process as neighboring Assam, Nagaland and Mizoram are still allowed to return the medicines. The meeting also resolved to demand the stockists to provide a written statement with the permission of the relevant authorities as to why these expired medicines cannot be returned. Meanwhile, people are facing problems in getting medicines due to closure of the pharmacies. Patients who have come for treatment in hospitals are not able to purchase medicines. Pharmacy retailers have been appealed to open their shops by reaching an understanding with the stockists regarding return of expired medicines considering the people's woes.
Doctor, the hospital na layang masasarure hidak lagi tawuda hidak siya magpangdrewsi. Hybrid Tong London meeting like Hybera cannot Torumdana. Masiko Yam Penset Maram di public Tahidaxi Mafamatamsa and Pihan Mado Quipami. Yana Boma Poraga, public Mayamgi Kalaga, Tongi Hangi Hidaki, Mafamatamsa and Boquipamje. Much public is high Tegini, Massimanga Tamjanim Bobo.
All Manipur Pharmacy Retailers Association was formed at a meeting held today by the pharmacy retailers. RK Medical's owner RK Rakesh of Moirangkom and JOT Pharmacy owner LJOT Chandra of Kwakaithel will be the president and the general secretary of the association. Members of the newly formed association will submit a memorandum to the authorities concerned, including the health minister, tomorrow. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flagged off a Tiranga Yatra organized by BJP Manipur Pradesh in remembrance of Quit India movement from BJP office at Nithe Park Chutek today. Party workers took part in the rally which will spread the message of patriotism in different areas of the state. Speaking to media persons, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said the land to construct the National Sports University was finalized by the former government. He maintained that he will try to resolve the controversy regarding the site for the university at the earliest. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit today asserted that there is no more misunderstanding between the people of the hills and the government since the new BJP government came to power in the state. He said the weakest section of Senapati were unhappy as they were denied what they deserved. The minister was speaking at the guest at the 19th Fresher Meet of Mount Everest College in Senapati. He maintained that the communication between the people and the government has improved since the new government came to power. He also urged the people to forget the misunderstanding and extend cooperation to take state forward.
By their profession only. Aku si loy ber differentiate oi bani. Aku jam mana? Aku amat ada habit work loan se. Adum oi lazy habit se. Ai mayam da apel tau jege. Aduna aku na how kita puna ma forgive tau bi kre. Adua nang na kre. Adua kau na ba se. Aku na kau ba se aku hajang na sulai tu. Aduna nat da ba phat da ba tau oi da ba puna ma sulai na ba kau thok raji. Adua nungai ba Manipur ma dei pa ka tau raga. Aku chapkat mina ba kona re har kana peaceful oi ba. State of seminar I can Manipur tourism gi wero atu mi wero I exploration je tawong ngam da bagi I gi talent sing je me ar khambi da bani atu project aku explore to ba hore and masi posing je na understandingly aku synchronistically aku tawong matam da koi Manipur je aku koi gani ada masi the role program chawi sa sing youth sing role chawi maram di modern 30 to 35% of the total population of the country is under 33. That is called a youth.
Works Minister T.H. Biswajit has assured that NHIDCL will start the construction of Imphal-Jiribam and Dimapur Road from September. Speaking to media in Senapati, the minister said the road, which will be constructed by Bharatiya Infra Project Limited, he further stated that he will try his best to prevent any interruption during the construction. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation L. Lokeshwar denied the statement of ex-mayor S. Sunil, which appeared in local dailies, that he gave approval to auction of 8 vehicles of IMC as baseless. Speaking to media person at IMC office, L. Lokeshwar said, according to the tender notice issued on May 22nd, the former mayor announced the vehicles can be auctioned on May 29, 2017. He said the process for the auction continued by the officials even though he resigned from the mayor's post before the auction. Lokeshwar, who was sworn in as a mayor on June 9, he said he gave approval for the auction on June 23rd after he found that the file process was complete.
Hanagi mayor si 26th resignation tender pi rehare 27 day effect tore. Adubo office procedure di kai ba yadabanina auction gi process tu tora matungda auction loiramaba potnina gari issue tawbagi potu di aigi perat ni 21 June 2017 ngaramdi already tender loiramaba pot ama aina continuation oina gari pithokpagi thabak to aigi matam tawda neba mayor L. Lokeshwarna sahi asigi July 3 gari nipan adu auction tawnabagi approval pikhibani ana haribaji sidi it is very unfortunate.
Lokeshwar also warned the action will be taken against those who are running shops by encroaching on areas under Imphal Municipal Corporation. He said investigation will also be carried out to find out shops which have not registered at IMC and do not hold license. He appealed to shopkeepers to register at IMC immediately.
Municipality the register tawiraga dukan phambiyu karigumba register tawraga dukan phamba taraga di bank ki senthang phangba yai adu karigumba tha gi manungda register tawdaba taraga di matungda khoi action lokhalakani ai masima karbar wala toriba dukan phamba jingi jinau jingi mafamda thamjari hoji lambi da khoi gi san thadoiba sagon thadoiba masi ai khoi sanbu sing adagi sa sanjigi mapu sing da hajari athuba matamda loksan biyo khoi masi pick up tawnaba madugi municipality gi oiba adugumba thabak pakhanaba sem saba hore.
Candidates of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination 2016 today staged a sit-in at Keshampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall protesting errors in the said examination conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission candidate. Co-convener of Group of Aspirant MPSC Kesham Kishan said, upon RTI investigation, it was found that there were irregularities not only in tabulation of marks of the candidates, but also cases of answer scripts not being shined by the invigilators. He urged the state government to hand over the case to CVI for investigation so that MPSC officials involved in the case can be punished befitting. The co-convener also said candidates will also file a case in the court.
Koina thaza MPSC ki thong asibu yaningdaba phongdokpoina ngasisu protest mayami chaunga mongna tawjabani aduga akoina pamjabadi masida exam asi quas tawre hairga nauna conduct tawbiro aduga loinana MPSC ki official sing examination asida conduct tawriba yawriba sing asi behind the bars badi maralga chanaba dandi pigadabani amadi government asina ngasi babu public issue je karigi tuminna leithoklibano haibasi acho wang amani rally sachagani aduga CM saga unajagani haibasi thamjage.
Students of Dem College of Arts today burnt effigies of the Education Minister, Chairman and Director of Education U and furniture to protest admission of 100 more students at the college. The protesting students burned tables and desks in front of the college gate before burning the effigies. They also blocked the roads on the college campus. A team of Imphal West Police rushed at the site to put the situation under control. The protest came to an end as soon as the education students got the news that the Education Department has withdrawn the order for admission of more students. MCS, MPS, Junior MCS, MSS and EOs donated 1 lakh rupees to Chief Minister Relief Fund. They handed over a cheque of 1 lakh rupees to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren as Chief Minister Secretariat today. As a run-up to the Independence Day celebration, the police is conducting combing operation in various parts of Imphal city. Checking and frisking operation were conducted by a team of Imphal West Commando near YAS ground opposite First Assam Rifles. Both 2 and 4 vehicles were halted and checked thoroughly for documents and identification proofs. Around 12 persons without proper identification papers were taken to Imphal West Police Station for further questioning. A man riding a 2-wheeler was apprehended for carrying 26 SIM cards and was taken to police station for interrogation. Later, the team also conducted operation in and around Singjamai supermarket. Shopkeepers and passerby were verified. 12 persons without proper identification proofs were taken to Singjamai police station for further verification. A team of Imphal police conducted cordon search operation in Khurai Lamlong Bazar areas yesterday. During the operation, the team arrested a self-styled corporal of KYKL. The cadre is identified as Lairen Lakpam Porenganba, Elias King, 23 years, son of late Ibo Chauba from Chingarel, Tejpur. He is said to be working under self-styled Sergeant Major Naubita. A 2-day workshop on learning outcomes began today at Directorate of SCRT Lamphilpat. The workshop is organized by Directorate of SCRT under the follow-up program of Ministry of Human Resource Development. Director of SCRT, Director of Education S and teachers of various schools attended inauguration of the workshop. Experts will speak on learning outcomes at elementary stage during the 2-day workshop. Kurai Konsam Laikai Apunba Mairapai Bilov today stays a sit-in at the locality's community hall demanding investigation into the death of Sumila, Elias Ichal and arrest the accused persons. President of the organization, Nongthombom Radhamani, said 8-month pregnant Sumila, who died on August 4th, did not commit suicide by consuming poison. She alleged her husband, Thaunaudam Jivan, and his family are suspect in her death.
Lamdam sida nong makang na tholiba mihat nipun mau haliba nupi angang haliba se aphaba lisat nate masida chenariba thongnawjam jibal asi matik chaba chairak pibi duna aingi oiba thongda hakpa chairak pibi u ngasi lamdam sida nong makang na tholakliba mihat mipul ase nisana thon bani masi puno mase ngasi gi paliba lengak asina matik chaba action lokhat biduna matik chaba dandi piduna hona biu ngasi crime masing hengalakli base akpa cherak pi dabana maram oiraga ngasi akoi lamdam sida asuki matik crime masing asi hengalakli bani.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The English Literary Circle Manipur celebrated inclusion of its journal Spectrum in the proof list of journals by UGC in the Arts and Humanities section at the Seminar Hall of Humanities block in Manipur University today. Spectrum is amongst the 484 journals approved by the UGC from all over the world in arts and humanities. It is the first journal recognized by UGC in Manipur. Spectrum is an international journal of humanities and social sciences published biannually by the English Literary Circle. It started its circulation in 2013. Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar is the chief editor of the journal and Dr. Paunam Sudeep Mangang is the editor. Kokching Municipal Council Ward Number 11 Development and Management Committee has boycotted the councillor of Ward Number 11 KSH Jalajit for his alleged involvement in the construction of shops at the old Kokching Hospital site. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of the committee Yenko Mohan said the resolution to boycott him was taken at the committee meeting held on August 9th. He said the committee made a proposal to construct a mega market at the site with areas reserved for parking and women vendors at a meeting held with the former Chief Minister. He alleged that the shop was now constructed without considering the future by some vested interest against the wishes of the people. He said the people of Kokching strongly condemned the involvement of Jalajit in this work. It may be mentioned that the residents of Kokching Ward Number 6 also have boycotted Councillor N. Narjit for his involvement in the construction of the shops.
Mai thanbagi matang sida aikoi Kokchinggi lairiba amadi ward ki oina laijari basi pareng che ayamba prepaid system lakhibadagi mai si loina pareng dugi paisa khainarga loina puthokna duna hana loina than kraba mai sigi management ji mana paisa khara pi haibasu tai adubu committee da diam ta ningsing bidre asmaina magi aran bathong magi phajadaba mana committee siga samningdaba magi aron athup mayam si leibana ngasi aikoi development and management committee sina aikoi mabu boycott tokjabani hai.
Economic advisor to the Chief Minister, MLA P. Sarachandra, today flagged off a cycle rally from JM College campus in connection with the World Biofuel Day. Around 100 cyclists took part in the rally. Students of Barodhan Maxwell Hindi Primary School at Thangal Bazaar were administered deworming tablets on National Deworming Day today. The tablets were jointly administered to around 210 students by National Rural Health Mission and Directorate of Education as head mistress of the school, Khwairakpam Sunita, said the tablets were given to the students to keep them immunized and healthy in connection to National Deworming Day, which is observed all across the country.
National Rural Health Mission Director of Education as JDO Zone 1 की बखादा खुशम नरगा भरोदान मैक्सवेल हिंदी प्राइमरी स्कूल ना वाम टेबलेट असी अनी सुबह तंका की ओने पिज्जा बनी मसी पिज्जा बागी मरम दी आंगांग सिंह से मसा मऊ फना तिंजंग काइजंग दनबा Mahi masing tambada mabung changna tamba yanabki damakta akoina health directorate health national lure health misana guli asi school da angang sing de pijana bagi damakta asiki program asi hada jarakpane.
Thoubal District Police carried out cleanliness drive in Waithau, Tangjeng and from Bisnil office to Warongthong in connection with its week-long Swasta Pakawada. A police team led by SP Thoubal K. Megachandra cleaned the areas since morning today. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (KADA) organized a public meeting on incident of Oinam Saungbong in which several persons died after drinking poisonous liquor at Wangkai Angom Laikai Mera Community Hall yesterday. The meeting was held in collaboration with All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj. Nongpok Lengak Apunbanupi Loop Wal United Youth Club Wangkhoi Angom Laikai, Women's Social Welfare Association Wangkhoi Angom Laikai and Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (KADA) Imphal East District Committee. Speaking as a resource person, Sarto Hoino said it will be wrong to look at liquor brewing as identity of the tribals. He maintained that the brewers are taking undue advantage in the name of custom to make money. There are a number of tribals who do not want to brew liquor. Sarto urged all communities to start a movement to ban alcohol. Country liquor, Indian made foreign liquor and beer worth around 70,000 rupees were destroyed by excise Thoubal on its campus today. The liquors were seized during drives conducted by a team of Yaripok Police Station and Yaripok Excise under the supervision of a Deputy Superintendent of Excise Thoubal since July. Police said drives against alcohol and intoxicants will continue. A two-day state-level workshop on government e-marketplace GEM buyers' perspective kicked off today at Hotel Classic Grande. The workshop is organized by Finance and IT Department, Government of Manipur, in collaboration with Director General of Suppliers and Disposal and National Institute for Smart Government. Government e-marketplace is an online platform which was launched as a part of Digital India. Required items of the departments under the central and the state government will be made available online at Government e-marketplace. The platform is providing e-bidding and reverse auction facilities to make good quality items available at reasonable prices. Top officials of several government departments took part in the workshop. Additional Director of IT Department N. Devin said the process of buying items of government department will be shortened with the help of Government e-market.
Government ki pot supply to bahai tare masida akogi yamna pikpa akogi yamna chawba vendor or firm natrusu adu participate to we anabagi platform hai tare masida anybody can participate my specifications or criteria do meet to tardi yaw we are ne hai tare hosiki kind platform sida yaw riba department me am sing se hosik moi se awareness person pire adagi plus masigi advantage kari no se khangal labni na hosiki di story akoi department me am sing se hosiki hariba sigi platform se moi register to holaga adagi government of Manipur su heng mo yom soi tor matung de necessary changes my rule kai ke to amend to thoga adai akoi gi pot leba khop se hosiki hariba government e-market habasigi through the lane bagi kanon step hai tar first step.
KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal defeated their rival Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai by 3-1 in Moirangthem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the sixth league match of the tournament played this morning at ABA Playground Khetrigao, KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal's Mohammad Aziz Saha, Mohammad Sabir Ali and Redemption Kamay netted 1 goal each in the 17th, 30th and 54th minute of the match respectively. The lone goal of the losing team was netted by Mohammad Rakif in the 79th minute of the match. KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal's Mohammad Imdan and Eastern Sporting Mohammad Rakif were shown a yellow card by the center referee. 8 teams are taking part in the First Division Football League organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. Star Club top Moirangkampu will meet PRYA Kundrakpam tomorrow. Teka Pishum Kangkhut defeated their rivals in the second Sri Sri Gopal Dev League Cum Knockout Kang tournament of 55 to 60 years old players. In the fourth league match played today at Sri Sri Gopal Dev Kangsang Yai School, Teka Pishum Kangkhut beat Thangweibung Kangkhut by 14-13. 6 Kangkhut are taking part in the tournament organized by Sri Sri Gopal Dev Kangkhut, which began from 7th of this month. Singjamai Kangkhut will meet Gopal Dev Kangkhut A in the 5th league match tomorrow. Impact TV's optical fiber at Kwakaithel Bazaar has repeatedly been cut off by some unknown miscreants. 6 core optical fiber of Impact TV from Impact TV office at Paungna Bazaar to Tidim ground has been repeatedly cut off in the last 2 days. Impact TV technical staff joined Team Optical Fiber, which was cut off on August 8 and 9, but it was again cut off this morning around 5 and this afternoon around 4 p.m., causing grievous inconveniences to Impact TV subscribers. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Driver injured as a truck is hit by a landslide between Kambirong and Barak Bridge on National Highway 37. Works going on to clear the way. Pharmacies down shutter in protest against companies refusing expired medicines. Patients suffer as they cannot get medicines. IMC mayors denied former mayor's statement that he gave approval for auction of 8 vehicles. And candidates of MPSC examination 2016 demand CBI probe into irregularities of combined competitive examination and punishment of the guilty.